Alright, Angry Birds it is. So let's play Surf and Turf. I live in California, so why not? I haven't played this one before, so I'm probably gonna suck at it. Oh! Not where I intended to hit. Oh, that's awesome! Alright. So I got that done. Now we do not want to spend real money. One hit wonder. I am walking around while my boyfriend gets a haircut. So I'm walking around the shopping place, so if you hear weird noises like the gardener and hammering and stuff, that would be why. Oh, well that was, oh well, I think I got the big guy. So. Oh, nice. Oh, go. Oh. Wouldn't even be my luck if it broke him. Hopefully I can... No! Oh, bad luck. No! Thought I had that. I'm using a really good recording system program. Later, when I get on my computer, I can put the name of the program on my computer. But it lets you put text, it lets you do voice or turn it off, show your touch or not show the touch. So it's a really cool program. I enjoy this program. First time using the text, so. Oh, what is this? Just really bad aim. Something. Oh, guys, I don't know if you know, but I am excited about the new Angry Bird movie, I guess, is coming out. So cool. Or show, I'm not sure what it's about, but... Oh, I just cannot aim. What's up with this? Yes, I did it. I don't know why the recording's going. You can't move the words. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, you can't seem to move the words. But before you start the recording, you can. You can move it around left, right, corner, whatever. Oh, and you could turn on face cam or not face cam, which I totally forgot to do. Turn on my face cam. But, anyways. Alright. One more level and then I will upload this. Oh, I hit that! Oh, I hit the stone in front of it. What? Oh, let's see, it's in the... Bam, bam, bam. I love it. Don't ask. Oh, as I do another level, it's like, I'll just do one more, but then I can't help it because I want to see what the next level is. Oh, that was so wonderful. Like, I'm on such a good streak, I don't want to stop. Okay. I will stop when I lose. One more time. If I lose, I'm done. I will stop the video, but... pressure's on to get this right now. Oh, that was horrible aim. Oh, did it get in the ways? No. Oh, it didn't. Damn. Well. Oops, I didn't realize I had another bird. Oh, the fail. I had one more bird, one more chance, and I didn't realize it. Epically lost. What's going on? Oh, there it goes. So with that, I will end this video, sadly. So stay foxy and subscribe and push that like button and leave those comments, and talk to you guys later. Stay foxy.